Hey everyone, welcome back. So, you want to make some serious cash in 2025? Like, enough to finally get that designer bag you've been eyeing? I'm about to spill the tea on 3 business ideas that could literally make you $100,000 or more next year. And no, I'm not talking about the same old boring stuff like Shopify or Etsy. These are totally fresh, kinda secret strategies that are blowing up right now. Most people haven't even heard of them yet, which means less competition for us. The best part? You don't need a single dollar to start. Yup, you heard that right. 0 investment. I'm going to break down exactly how people are already making bank with these methods, so keep watching. Okay, first up is TikTok Shop. You guys, this is huge. It's like the early days of Instagram shopping, but even better. Since it's still pretty new, there's way less competition, which means it's easier to get noticed and make sales. And unlike Amazon, where you practically need 1 million followers to even show up in searches, TikTok's algorithm is all about showing your products to the right people, even if you're just starting out. Like, seriously, I've seen products go viral on TikTok Shop overnight. Imagine selling something as simple as a cute t-shirt for $22 and selling over 1,900 of them. That's over $41,800. Or how about custom phone cases for $6 each? One store I saw sold over 7,500, making a cool $45,000. And guess what? They didn't even have to deal with storing any inventory. But wait, it gets even better. TikTok's search bar is a goldmine. People are literally searching for products they want to buy. So even if you don't have tons of videos yet, you can still make sales. Of course, adding videos will totally blow up your earnings, but we'll get to that later. But Mamuna, you're thinking, I don't have any products to sell. Don't even worry about it. That's where print on demand comes in. Sites like Printify and Teespring let you upload your designs, and they handle all the printing and shipping. You literally only pay when someone orders. It's like the ultimate risk-free business. Okay, so maybe running your own shop feels a little extra. Totally get it. But guess what? You can still make bank on TikTok without selling a single thing. It's called affiliate marketing, and it's like getting paid to shop. Kinda. Basically, you find cool products that are already selling like crazy on TikTok Shop. Think those viral kitchen gadgets or those super cute phone cases. Then you just share them with your followers and get a commission for every sale you make. The reason this works so well is because TikTok makes it so easy to buy stuff. Like 2 clicks and you're done. No more adding to cart, entering your payment info 1 million times. You know the drill. This means people are way more likely to buy through TikTok than through like a regular website. We're talking 3 to 4 times higher conversion rates. I've seen people making $5,000 to $15,000 a month just by finding trending products and making simple TikTok videos about them. And guess what? You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. There are these amazing AI tools like Arcad AI that can literally create product demo videos for you. The AI can even hold the product and everything so it looks totally real. It's like magic but with money. Chapter 3. The Ultimate Side Hustle, TikTok Video Creation Service. Okay, so remember how I said videos can help you sell more on TikTok Shop? Well, here's a secret. Most shop owners are clueless about making good videos, like they're so busy trying to figure out inventory and stuff that they completely forget about the whole content thing. That's where you come in, my friend. You can be their video hero. You can offer to create those awesome AI-powered product videos for them and charge for your services. Easy money. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can charge per video, like maybe $50 a pop. So if you make 10 videos for someone, boom! That's $500. Or you can get really strategic and offer a commission-based model. Basically, you say, hey, I'll create these amazing videos for you, and in return, I get a small percentage of the extra sales my videos bring in. So, let's say your videos help a store make an extra $10,000. If you're getting a 10% cut, that's $1,000 for you. And the best part? Since you're using AI, you can handle multiple clients at once and scale this thing like crazy. So there you have it, guys. 3 killer business ideas that are practically guaranteed to make you bank in 2025. TikTok Shop, TikTok affiliate marketing, and becoming a TikTok video creation queen, or king. And the best part is, you don't need any money or experience to get started, just a phone and a little bit of hustle. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next TikTok millionaire. If you want me to do a whole video breaking down exactly how to create those AI videos step by step, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future money-making tips. See you in the next one.